This is the Expert Grill 3 gas burner, one of the finer grills on the market today. As you can see, this one comes complete with 450 square inch total cooking area, easy to clean porcelain coated grate, and 27,000 BTU cooking heat. It also is able to cook 17 burgers, 8 chicken breasts, 20 hot dogs, and more, much more. 20 hot dogs and 8 chicken breasts and 17 burgers. It comes with an instruction manual that is easy to understand. As you can see, it's very well packaged using the finest in packing materials, styrofoam and cardboard. Simply take out the pieces and get started. I found later it was easier to turn the package upside down and let the contents slide out onto my couch. Be careful as you unpack to keep all the parts together. You'll notice the styrofoam comes right off of the grill. No problem. Much of it is wrapped in other types of packing material, such as foam, and notice the nice decal on the Expert Grill. Be sure to check the contents of the inside of the grill as there are more items to unpack. Here's another shot of that logo. There are some important safeguards that you must notice before you start using your grill. Things that you may not have even considered before. Just a few screws in and it's all set. The Expert Grill 3 gas burner with 3 heat settings and an Expert Grill with 17 burgers and much more.